How do smoke detectors work? First, the detector is powered by a battery, and when triggered, the alarm goes off with a loud sound or beeping. Inside, there's a simple PCB, printed circuit board, with a small metal cylinder, which is the heart of the detector. This cylinder contains cesium-241, a radioactive material, and has ventilation holes that let air and smoke pass through easily. Inside the cylinder, there's a small structure with metal plates at the top and bottom, held in place by a plastic frame. The top plate has a tiny hole, where the radioactive cesium-241 is hidden. When cesium-241 decays, it releases alpha particles, which are high energy and can travel up to 15,000 kilometers per second. These particles strike atoms in the air, creating charged ions and free electrons, forming a tiny electric current, about 50 picoamperes, which is extremely small. When smoke enters the chamber, particles like carbon dioxide